How to fix mobile data is not working in Moto G96. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then go back and check your network connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update our network connection. After update your network connection, then open your settings, and in settings scroll down and click on system. Now click on reset options and then click on reset network settings. Now again click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, then go back and click on erase all data, and now again click on erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After do factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.